Bonjour! I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a tasty Peruvian grilled chicken. With a gorgeous combination of smoky, fruity, and spicy flavor, this is a recipe you have to try this summer. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and make the marinade for the chicken. In a bowl, we'll combine low-sodium soy sauce, followed by olive oil, then freshly squeezed lime juice and ají amarillo paste. Now, this ingredient can be left out, but for an authentic fruity flavor with a little kick of heat in the background, take a few minutes to make it. On the other end, this paste can be substituted, and I give a few suggestions on the blog, so check it out. To make this ají amarillo paste, the recipe is coming up this Saturday under Tips and Tricks, so stay tuned. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and lots of it before seasoning with ground cumin, smoked paprika, dried oregano leaves, and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll give a good whisk until the ingredients are nicely blended. And then we'll pour the marinade on the chicken thighs. I put them in a large Ziploc bag, but a bowl will do. Of course, we'll close the bag and move it around, making sure the chicken thighs are completely coated. In case the bag leaks, I like placing it in a large pie plate, and we'll transfer it to the fridge for at least 5 hours, but preferably overnight. Later on, or the next day, we'll remove the thighs from the fridge, transfer them to a pie plate, obviously I'm using the same one that I put my Ziploc bag in, and bring them to room temperature. There are 4 ways of cooking them: in a skillet, indoor grill, in the oven, or on the barbecue, which is the one I'll be using. To get more info about the other cooking methods, visit the blog. So, for the barbecue, we'll bring the temperature between 400 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit and grease the grates using canola oil to prevent the thighs from sticking. We'll place our thighs on the greased grill, close the lid, and cook about 5 to 6 minutes per side. If you opt for bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, it will take longer. The best way to find out if they're ready is when the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll remove from the heat, cover loosely with foil, and let them rest for 10 minutes before serving with ají verde sauce, which the recipe is coming up on Thursday, and rice. And my friends, this is our Peruvian grilled chicken. Extremely flavorful, this South American recipe is one you should definitely make this summer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!